Hey, it's Joe from Kiperts Tractor Sales. We have a rear end differential issue on this cab tractor, and we are about ready to roll the rear end out of this so we can start tearing it down to see where the cause of the issue is. Ready, Dylan? Yep. Okay, we're down. And that's how you pull the rear end out of a tractor.
Kinda.
So now that customers can kind of see the kind of stuff you have to go through just to be able to pull a rear end out of a cab tractor. It's kind of similar with the non-cab tractors, but they're equally difficult because you got a lot of lines, a lot of hydraulic oil, and then you got to take your time making sure you split in the right spots and not the wrong spots. Well, here's the boys from Kiperts Tractor Sales. Have a good day.